Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Hey, what is up, my dudes? Just when you think you have a nice, easy job, things go sideways. Not really sideways, but it's just not an easy job anymore.
And you know what, though? That's typically how the bullshit goes. You feel me?
What I mean is I got this door behind me.
Huh?
Extension spring. The client wants me to install an opener, which he just got like this basic Chamberlain chain drive. You know, he probably picked it up on sale, you know, for $100, $120, something like that. But anywho, get to the job here, and I have a tight situation.
Bruh.
Let me show you what I'm talking about. So I got the door in the turning point right now, and it's almost, you know, as you can see, I'm a couple inches away from the ceiling. And I think that's as high as this is, you know, when it's curving back. I think this is as high as it gets. But nonetheless, installing an opener in that gap right there, it can be kind of tricky. So I think right from the rip, I'm gonna just chop off a little bit down below on my vertical tracks.
What?
Down there and down there. I'm gonna cut those off, maybe an inch. Then I'm gonna drop the tracking down, and then I'll relax those top fixtures a little bit. So that way I can see if I can get a little bit more clearance up there. Ooh, that's tight. So yeah, I'm gonna get after it. I'm gonna start cutting the tracks and get it all dropped down.
You know what time it is? Disco time!
Alright guys, so after dropping the tracks down and everything, I needed to move my vertical track in. And in order to do that, I needed to rehang the backs, because there's no forgiveness in that. It's not moving forward or backwards. So yeah, these back hangs need changed out. You can see how they got it hooked right there. The extension spring. On the opposite side, you can kind of see it's split big time. Someone tried running a lag into it and didn't pre-drill it or what, but split it up. You can see it's split there. I've already got this side taken apart. Got to rehang that back so I'm able to, you know, push all my tracking forward to get it closer to the jam, to the wall. And I think that's going to do it. I think that's going to get me, you know, the clearance I need to put the opener in. You know, unfortunately, I got to do all this extra little stuff, you know, like rehang it and readjust the tracks and all that jive. But, you know, it comes with the territory, and you got to do what you got to do to get it done. And so I'm going to hang this door, and I'll show you the after. All right, just finished this up. The door portion of it, that is. Cut an inch off the bottom of the verts. I scooted in the vertical tracking and the horizontal, which means I had to take the spring system down and just totally get that in a safe position. Rehung the backs, got rid of that old wood. You know, those springs were hanging off of a 1x4, so that's not cool. Very dangerous. You can see over here. Let's go up to the front. Now I got a whole lot of room versus before it was like 2 inches. So I got plenty of space now to do what I need to do with this opener. That's what I'm getting ready to put together. So sit tight and check it out. All right, there's the opener, Chamberlain Model C205. It actually runs really smooth.
I gotta tell you, it was perfect. Perfect. Everything, down to the last minute details.
And yes, you can see there's no top strut. However, I am going to be coming back tomorrow with an extra remote and a keypad, which the client wants. So I'm going to bring a strut. I ran out of them yesterday, and I just have not been to my supplier yet to re-up on that stuff. So yes, there will be a strut on this door. Before, that door was hitting that light, so now we can see it's plenty far away from that light. Good to go there. Got the door all the way open. And like I said, it works pretty darn good. Let me get back here and operate it. Operator.
Let's do this.
Nice and snug on the floor.
That was easy.
Let's get up here and take a look and see how much room we're missing the rail by at the top of the door. Beforehand, it was going to smack right into it, and now we got plenty of clearance.
Hot diggity dog!
Oh yeah. You really can't ask for a better operating extension spring door either. I mean, this thing works super smooth.
Perfect.
And yes, it's plugged in with an extension cord. They don't have a power outlet in here yet, but they're going to. So I'd like to just get them set and tested. There we go. It's all finished. Got that single button right there. I really appreciate you guys' support, because without you, this would be a super boring channel. You guys make it fun and exciting. So I will see you all on the flip, and talk to you all later. Peace out.